Sandali lang. Naiiyak na ako eh. Bakit picture ni Arnel Pineda natapos? I hate you! Akala ko yung 13 lang yung may surprise. Seriously guys, I appreciate this. Thank you so much, and yeah, this has been a very good Pineda talaga yung background eh. Hold on, you guys know this? You play the song. Yeah, I wanna say thank you for the surprise. Although, parang nilaro nyo naman po ako. Mga kawating, ano? Cute yan. Picture ni Arnel Pineda. Galing. Paiyak na ako. Umurong eh. Kaya I appreciate this guys, and yung mga words of wisdom that I always give you guys, those are words of wisdom that was helpful to me when I was an agent, and hopefully it will be to you too. So kung sakaling in the future those were helpful to you, Eddie, congratulations. I was part of the journey. Thank you again, and congratulations, class close. I will miss you guys.